Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you've been looking for a new job, or maybe just thinking about a change, a different path, something that feels more like you, this reading is for you. I pulled these three cards in the morning with the exact question in mind, and honestly, what came out felt really, really clear. So, if this is where you're at right now, stick around because I think this is going to feel like it was made for you. Will you get a new job? That is the exact question these three cards are answering today. Not vaguely, not with some soft spiritual maybe, but these cards came out with real clarity. And if you have been quietly checking job listings, sending applications into what feels like a silence, or just holding onto a hope that you have not said out loud to anyone yet, this reading is for you. Comment, I claim, if you want this energy in your life right now. Now, before I flip these cards, I want to speak to where you might be right now. There is a specific kind of tired that comes with job searching. And trust me, we all have been there. Not the tired of being lazy or unmotivated. In fact, the exact opposite. The tired of trying hard, staying hopeful, and still not knowing if any of it is actually working. Sending out applications into what feels like a complete void. And I feel some of you are also wondering if you are doing something wrong or if it is simply the timing for you. These three cards are about to answer that very, very clearly for you. Now, let's see our first card, the Chariot. And this card immediately tells me something powerful about where you are right now in this job search. And I feel it is a genuinely good place and it holds good news for you. The chariot shows a figure seated in a chariot pulled by two phoenixes, moving forward with complete determination. And here is the detail that matters most. There are no reins connecting. There are no reins connecting the driver to the phoenixes. Now, he is directing them through pure will. I really want you to focus on this card and see. He's driving them through pure focus, through the kind of centered determination that does not need external control to move things forward. This is the energy you are bringing to your job search right now. You are not passively waiting for something to happen to you, you are actively driving this. Applying, following up, I feel putting yourself out there. And I feel more than usual, you are staying focused on the goal even when the process has felt slow or uncertain for you. The chariot confirms that this determination is not wasted energy. In fact, it is exactly what is needed to move this situation forward. The chariot is also, I feel, is a card of overcoming obstacles through sheer willpower. If this search has felt harder than it should, more competition, more silence, more waiting than you expected, the chariot says you have what it takes to push through this resistance. Not through luck, but I feel through your own focused determination. This card, I feel, is also confirming that your effort is genuinely working, even if the results have not fully shown themselves yet. The chariot does not move by accident. It moves because someone decided where it was going and committed to getting it there. You are already driving through this. Now, the next two cards will show you what you are driving towards and what you already have that makes you ready for it. Let's see our second card. And we have the Nine of Pentacles. And this card tells me something important about who you already are, the qualities that make you genuinely ready for what is coming next for you. The Nine of Pentacles shows a figure standing confidently in a lush, abundant garden, completely self sufficient and surrounded by the results of their own hard work. Now, we can refer it to as you had built this. Nobody handed over to you, and you stand there, and the figure stands there not with arrogance but with quiet, earned confidence. The kind that comes from knowing exactly what you are capable of because you have proven it to yourself already. This is who you are showing up as in this job search. Now, the Nine of Pentacles is one of the strongest cards in the deck for financial independence and self made success. It confirms that you have the skills, the discipline, and the track record to genuinely deserve what you are working towards. The Nine of Pentacles is not a card about hoping that you are qualified. It is a card about already being qualified, about carrying real, proven capability into whatever comes next for you. Now, this card also speaks to comfort with working independently. If part of what you want from this new job is more respect for your own judgment, more space for your own work, and to work on your own terms, the Nine of Pentacles says that that energy is already yours to bring. You do not need to prove you can be trusted with independence, you already carry it. Paired it with the Chariot, this tells a very clear story to me. You are driving forward with real determination. And you already have the substance, the actual skills, and self sufficiency to back the determination up. You are not chasing something you are not ready for. You are stepping into something you have already earned. Third card shows us what that stepping into looks like as it actually arrives. We have the Three of Wands. And this is the card that answers your question most directly. The Three of Wands shows a figure standing on a cliff's edge, looking out at ships sailing across open water. Like these ships represent efforts that are already sent out, efforts that are already in motion, and already on their way back with results for you. This figure is not anxiously pacing. He is, in fact, standing calmly, confidently, watching the horizon with the quiet certainty of someone who knows what he set into motion is actually coming back to him. This is the exact energy, and this is exactly where you are right now. The application you have sent, the interviews you have done, the efforts you have already put in, that is not lost or forgotten. It is rather out there right now, moving, developing, and certainly on its way back to you. The Three of Wands is one of the clearest cards in tarot for expansion, for opportunity, for results of your efforts becoming visible in the near future. Now, this card also speaks specifically to opportunities that come from a broader view. Perhaps a role, a company, or a path you had not fully considered before opening up in a way that honestly surprises you. The Three of Wands often points to expansion beyond the original plan. This is a card that tells you what you had planned for you is something you are definitely going to get. This card also speaks specifically to opportunities that come from a broader view, perhaps a role, a company, or a path that you had not fully considered before opening up in a way that really, really surprises you. The Three of Wands often points to expansion beyond the original plan. Not just a new job, possibly a new direction that ends up being even better than what you had originally planned or aimed for yourself. Paired with the Chariot's determination and the Nine of Pentacles, the Three of Wands says the timing is aligning for you. And what you have been working towards is definitely not stuck. It is actively approaching, and the ships are on their way in now. Now, let me bring all of these three cards together and answer your question fully. Will you get a new job? The Chariot says you are already driving towards it with real focused determination. That this search is not passive and your efforts genuinely matter. The Nine of Pentacles confirms that you are already carrying the capability, the skills, and I feel the self sufficiency needed to be genuinely ready for what is coming for you. And lastly, we have the Three of Wands that says that the result of that effort are already in motion, already on the horizon, approaching in a way that may open doors even wider than what you had originally planned or had in mind. The Chariot, the Nine of Pentacles, and the Three of Wands. Determination, readiness, arrival. This is not a maybe situation. This is a spread built on momentum, capability, and expansion, all pointing in the same direction for you. Keep going, keep applying, and keep showing up with the same focus the chariot represents. What you have already set into the motion is coming back to you. Comment below and tell me which card resonated most, whether it was the chariot, the nine of pentacles, or the three of wands. I read every single one. If someone in your life is in the middle of finding a job right now, or is in the middle of a job search or job switch, share this with them. Sometimes the most helpful thing you can offer someone is confirmation that their effort is not going unnoticed. Follow Cosmic Tarot for readings every week. The right message always find the right person at exactly the right moment. The ships are on their way in. Keep watching the horizon. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next one.